What's up guys, so the company Redmi has finally announced the most awaited, Redmi K20, the phone that you all are waiting for. So here's the new K20 Pro that comes with a very classy package. Just after opening the lid, you will find a leaflet containing some documentations, together with a case. So let's check out the cover. The case is looking quite sturdy and has a dedicated cutout for the pop-up camera. It is not that much flexible, but still, it is good. As you can see, here are the main accessories: a USB cable, and a power adapter, which is a 27-watt fast charger. The cable inside is a Type-C cable, so no need of worry. So here's the phone itself, looking quite gorgeous from both sides. Let's peel off the plastics and have a look to the phone. The K20 Pro comes with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display that offers a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. The phone features a 3D glass at the back that has a beautiful texture. And also, the back features a unique pattern, with black at the middle, and red linings at the sides. The phone features a rear triple camera setup, with a main 48-megapixel sensor. The device is capable of taking excellent shots. The phone also retains a headphone jack, and it is placed beside the pop-up camera. So no place for infrared blaster. The phone houses a speaker grill at the bottom, together with a USB-C port. Other than that, the SIM slot has been also shifted at the bottom. The Redmi K20 Pro has a pop-up selfie camera of 20 megapixel with f2.0 aperture. The phone is capable of taking beautiful selfies, as well as bright pictures at night. No doubt the mechanism is extremely fast, and it works quite responsively. The display of the phone is really beautiful, with increased screen space. The phone has a very trim chin, which is appreciable. In addition, the screen is integrated with the latest 7th generation in-display fingerprint scanner, which is quite responsive as well as fast. So as you can see, it works almost every time. So a good implementation by the company. Moving to the hardware, which is the key aspect of this phone. The Redmi K20 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 855 processor, which is paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. There is a 4000 mAh battery inside, coupled with 27-watt rapid charging. The smartphone comes with up to 256 GB of internal storage, but still, the company didn't mention regarding the UFS version. In addition, the MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie OS comes preloaded on the device. The benchmark scores of the phone are looking great, and it is too close to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Other than that, the Redmi K20 Pro is equipped with high-resolution audio, 960 FPS slow-mo recording, dual SIM support, as well as expandable storage. So here's a quick look at the pricing of the phone. And one thing we forget to mention is the phone's heat dissipation feature, so no heating while gaming. So that's all for today's video. Hope you have liked it. To get more videos, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.